What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to clean your C drive, also known as local disk C. See? It's a simple process, but very effective, and we'll do it as fast as possible. We won't use any third-party software, so you don't need to download any sketchy tools. Cleaning unnecessary files from your C drive can help Windows run faster and free up valuable space. So, let's get started. First, go to the Start button and right-click on it. From the hidden menu, select Run. Type temp and click OK. If Windows asks for permission, just click Continue. You'll now see a folder full of temporary files. These files are not important and are only created for short-term use. Select all the files and delete them. Some files may not be removable, just ignore those and delete the rest. Now open the Run box again. This time type %temp% and click OK. Another temporary folder will appear. Delete all the files here as well. Next, open the Run box one last time and type prefetch. Click OK, and if permission is required, click Continue. Once again, select all the files and delete them. That's it for step 1. Many people don't realize this, but when you delete files normally, they are not completely removed from your computer. They stay in the recycle bin and still take up space on your C drive. By default, Windows can store up to around 50 gigabytes of deleted files there. So, if you don't empty the recycle bin regularly, it can slow down your system. Right-click on the recycle bin and choose Empty Recycle Bin. This will permanently remove all deleted files. You should already notice some free space now, but we're not done yet. Next, we'll remove programs you no longer use. Go to the Start menu and search for Uninstall. Click on Add or Remove Programs. This will open the Apps and Features section in Windows settings. Scroll through the list and uninstall any software you rarely use or don't need anymore. Just click Uninstall and follow the on-screen instructions. This can free up a lot of space on your C drive. Now open this PC or File Explorer. Right-click on your C drive and select Properties. Go to the Tools tab and click Optimize under the Optimize and Defragment Drive section. Make sure your C drive is selected, then click Optimize again. Windows will now optimize your drive for better performance. This is the final step. Go to the Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup. Open the tool. Windows will scan your drive and show a list of files you can remove. Check all the options, then click Clean Up System Files. After a deeper scan, select all the options again and click OK, then delete files. The process may take a few minutes, so just let it finish. And that's it. Your C drive should now have more free space, better performance, and improved system responsiveness. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.